Hi everyone and welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. Now today I have added on some bling, I'm in the sparkles, because we're talking about the All Stars membership for 2025. And this is going to be really special because we've spent the last year listening, tweaking, updating, hearing everything that our members from the last 2 years have said and constantly improving to make this the best cross-stitch membership there is. If you're new, my name is Sally. Hi, it's nice to meet you. I'm the creative director and the founder of Caterpillar Cross Stitch, which I started 9 years ago now while I was on maternity leave with my daughter from my former job as a lawyer. I could not think of anything worse than continuing in this boring, paperwork heavy role, going to court and tribunal until I was 65. I'd always been super creative. I loved photography and fashion and painting and sewing. So I thought, while I've got a newborn at home, why not start an e-commerce brand for modern cross-stitch lovers? And the rest, as they say, was history. So a couple of years ago, I decided to create the All Stars membership. So this is a really special place for our mega fans. The Caterpillar crew is world renowned. Our products have won a ton of awards. We've got hundreds of 5-star reviews, and that is all thanks to you guys. But for our special cross stitchers, the ones that wanted that little bit extra to have these membership exclusives, I wanted to create this really special place that you would get a ton of added benefits. If you're shopping with us throughout the year and you love what Caterpillar stands for and the kits and the products, of course, then this membership is the one for you. The 2025 All Star Stitchers membership is bigger and better than ever before. We've done surveys, we've brainstormed, we have researched everything, and we've put together the best package for a lovely group of cross stitchers who want that VIP experience. Now for the important stuff. So you can join the membership on our website, caterpillarcrossstitch.com, from November the 28th. Now, unlike previous years where we have had a period of around 4 weeks where you need to get your membership in, we, for the first time ever, are opening up the All Star Stitchers membership throughout the year. So it means that you might have seen the free patterns from 2023, the free patterns from 2024, and you're all ready to hop on board. I think we had over 90% of members stay with us every single year. But if you are a little bit unsure and you want to have a look at what those free patterns exclusive for members look like, it means that you can hang around, take a peek at the very first one, and then you've got the opportunity to join. So if you might be a little bit nervous, you can rest assured because you will have that security, that reassurance that you're like, yeah, I like this style. I know I love these patterns. I need to get my hands on it. And the only way to do that for these special designs is with the All Stars membership. It's also important to note that I happily offer a 100% satisfaction and money back guarantee. The reason for this is that I'm so certain, based on 9 years, hundreds of thousands of products shipped all over the world to over 30 countries, and amazing reviews and feedback from our communities across the board, that you're going to love the items that you order from us. So I'm more than comfortable offering that guarantee because, to be honest, it rarely actually happens, because I'm that certain that you're going to love the products that you receive. So the cost to become a member for 2025 is just £49. So if you break that down over the course of the months, you're talking at actually the price of a coffee a month. It works out at £4.10 a month, which is an absolute bargain for all the benefits you're going to get. One of the best benefits is 10% off the vast majority of our products. So you're talking stitch alongs, new launches, kits, needle minders, and accessories. So if you do order a few items from us across the year, you've already saved that amount of money with your 10% off. You'll also receive 3 exclusive patterns. Now, normally these would retail at about £7 each, so you've already got that value in there too. One of your favorite things about our membership is the exclusive needle minder. So these are collector's items, and if you've been a member for the last 2 years, then you'll really be building up your collection of these exclusive membership needle minders. They are super strong, they are top quality, and they will keep your needle safe no matter what you do. They are hard enamel and they're going to look so cute on your stitching. And I guarantee you're going to get a lot of questions of people saying, what is this needle minder and where can I get it from? And you can say, It's exclusive to members. So for this year, I'm so excited because we've actually based this on a very popular membership card. I'm not going to say where from, but it's something very iconic, which was a huge part of my childhood and many other people. So I hope you love the needleminder, especially for next year. So what I can share with you is the themes of your 3 exclusive patterns. So these are all very beginner friendly. So if you are very new to cross stitch, you're going to find these really enjoyable and fun. There's no speciality stitches, back stitch, French knots, nothing complicated going on with Caterpillar designs. So the first of these is based around one of your favorite flowers voted for in our Facebook group, which is tulip. Now this is going to be perfect as we go into spring. Really bright, really modern. The second design is based on the feedback from the previous 2 years from Scandi Birds and our Scandi Fox theme. So for next year, we're going to be cross-stitching a Scandi Horse. This will have the same folk-inspired Scandinavian elements and motifs in there. Very easy to stitch, but very effective and very attractive when it's done. And our third and final pattern, exclusive to you as members, coming out towards the end of next year, perfect for some autumn and winter magic, is our fairytale castle. So far, you're saving 10% across the full 12 months from any of your purchases. You've got 3 different cross-stitch patterns and a needleminder that by itself is worth £9.50. Now, if that's not enough, we're also giving you an extra gift as well, because why not? So you will also have access to your own £10 gift card to use on anything you like. This will be sent to you digitally and is in the form of an e-voucher. So you can use this on anything you like. It's not a discount code, it's just £10 off for you on top. Now, to aid in our communications just to you as members, we've also created an exclusive Facebook group community. So you'll get updates by email from us, but just in case you miss them, you can also hop into this special Facebook group, which is reserved for you guys, and you can access details of updates, free patterns, dates for releases, new launches, any news you need just for you. It's another resource, it's another place to have a chat. Get support directly from us. We reply within 24 hours and keep up to date with all of the news. With many of our products and of course our online and in-person events, they sell out very, very quickly. So for example, we have stitching social events with a whole ton of different hosts based in all different countries, but these tickets go very quickly. We also have an annual cross-stitch retreat for 2025. This is taking place at Warwick University at the end of September. And of course, we have our numerous cross-stitch along projects throughout the year. As members, you will be getting early access to all of this. So you want to secure your retreat ticket? It's sorted. You want to get on a stitching social at a specific day, time, and with a particular host? Sorted. You want to get your stitch along kit before anyone else in the world and get your order in first? We've got you covered. You will enjoy early access to all of these, which mean you get the best opportunity and to pick and choose what you'd love to do. One of the most loved elements of the All-Star Stitchers membership is the £100 Lucky Dip giveaway. So we randomly choose throughout the year 3 Lucky Dip recipients who will receive a prize worth £100. This could be a gift voucher, a spa day, afternoon tea, driving a supercar experience, or perhaps some kind of Apple device or a bungee jump, I don't know. It's up to you. We can find something to suit you in your area, no matter where you are in the world, up to the value of £100. We hear back from our community members that they want more access. They want more news. They want behind the scenes information and latest details before anyone else. So we will be doing 3 members only live events hosted by me. Now these are going to be spread throughout the year at times to suit different time zones. So if you're in Australia, New Zealand, New York, LA, Mississippi, London, Aberdeen, wherever you might be, there will be a time to suit you. You can ask me anything, you can get the latest news, you'll know what's coming up before anybody else. And one of the most important elements is that you can suggest new products, designs, ideas that you can't find anywhere else that you'd always loved for someone to make just for you. Now that's quite a lot to go over. So what we've done is produced a really beautifully designed members welcome pack. So in here you will get basically the information, all the details that I've given you above. So it's a refresher. You can put it on your bookshelf, pin it up onto a pin board, and you've got details of your £10 voucher, the designs, the patterns that you can expect and when they're going to be emailed to you. You've got your discount code, dates for stitch-alongs, dates for your membership lives, your newsletters. It's all in your gorgeous all-star pack. To keep you even more updated, one thing we've changed from last year is we are now doing 6 members-only email newsletters. So in here, you'll be able to find out what myself and the rest of the Caterpillar team have been getting up to behind the scenes. How is everything going? What are our new ideas for even into 2026? What's coming up next? You're going to be the first to hear, so you'll get exclusive member news not available anywhere else. The All-Star membership is available to anyone worldwide. We have hundreds of amazing members for 2024 based in so many different countries. I think there's over 20 countries that we have members in. So it's a fantastic community to be a part of because you are connecting with people from different backgrounds, different cultures, and different experiences. And I know from running these communities and hosting events that it really does open your eyes and offer a fresh perspective when you're speaking to people from so many different countries, but we're all coming together because of our love of cross stitch. The All Stars membership is great for the start of 2025. So you can become a member from the 28th of November onwards. This is a great Christmas gift because it's valid for 12 months. And it really is an opportunity to give someone a new creative hobby, either for yourself, for a fresh start, to really get the benefit of this for next year and to dedicate yourself to this hobby that you love, or maybe you're new to and you want to discover for the first time, but to really commit to make a change for next year, to create some positive habits, make new friends, and have a really calming, productive, creative hobby and outlet for you throughout the course of the year. Give a gift to yourself of the membership and support a small business at the same time. I cannot wait to open the doors on the 28th of November to our brand new cohort of All-Star members for 2025. I'm so excited to meet you all. Hopefully I see a lot of familiar faces from the previous 2 years. We are hoping for bigger numbers than ever before, and based on our survey feedback, hopefully that should happen. Thank you so much for supporting this initiative and our business as a whole. It means so much to me, and it means that myself and the rest of the team get to keep on creating gorgeous cross-stitch projects for you to enjoy and call it our job. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. If you need more information and want to become a member, please click the link in the description box down below. If you want to, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We upload new videos every single week with top tips, inspiration and ideas for you to really take your stitching to the next level. If you're watching this video at a later date and you choose to join the membership at a later time throughout the year, don't panic, because you'll still get access to the patterns and all of the benefits for the 2025 members. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.